Hey guys, this is Clay from Clay's AC and Auto Repair. If this video is helpful, send me your nice comments, like my videos, but most of all, subscribe and share my videos. Today we're going to work on a GMC Envoy, which is going to be the same as a Chevy Trailblazer. What we've got is we've got a driver window switch that's not working completely. I'm going to show you how to get the window up and down so you can actually use it in case it's stuck down. So you're going to take a Phillips screwdriver, unplug your driver's side, your passenger side window switch, pull it out of there. It just pops up, pop it in the back. You've got little tabs that you'll pull up out of there. Be careful not to damage it. I took a screwdriver and popped mine up right here from the back. I didn't see any need in showing you guys that. This is a flathead screwdriver. Then obviously we unplugged our master window switch and plugged in our passenger side switch, just like so. Pretty simple. The only one that you may need a little flathead screwdriver to pop that clip back. Try not to break it off. Pop that clip back to be able to pull that off. It's a little bit difficult to get it off the master window switch when the door panel's off. It's easier to get off when it's on, and you can do this without taking your door panel off. But I was looking for the cause, and I think I found it. It's just the switch is just bad, but I wanted to make sure that it had power. So hopefully that helps you get your window up and down. Mine works now. And I can roll it up and down like I'm supposed to. Now we want to take apart and disassemble the master window switch to try to find the problem in it. So I disassembled the window switch and tried to repair it, but it had gotten water down the inside of it and ruined the circuit board, so I was unable to repair it. So I ended up going to the junkyard, and for 60 bucks I got a completely new window switch, so now my window's working correctly. I hope the video was helpful. Please, 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 most of all, subscribe, share my videos, but send me your nice comments as well. I appreciate all the likes, and I appreciate all the wonderful comments you guys send me. Remember, you can't break what's already broken, so you might as well try to fix it. Have a great day, and God bless.